Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring essentials are ready. Google Pay installed, signed in, and NFC active so contactless works. Once done, make Google Pay the default tap payment app. This tells Android which app to trigger the sound. Make sure app notifications are allowed, because the sound is tied to notification events. Also raise your media or notification volume to at least 30% so the sound can be heard. These steps avoid false negatives when you later test a payment or play a sample sound. Now open Google Pay and go to your profile, then Settings, and choose Notifications. This is where the payment sound setting lives. Turn on the option labeled Transaction Sounds or play sound for payments so the app emits audio when a payment completes. Once enabled, use the provided Play Test Sound button to confirm the app routes audio to the phone speaker or Bluetooth device. If paired to a headset, make sure that device is selected, because audio output choices determine whether you actually hear the cue. Finish by performing a real test. Tap or use a terminal for a low-value transaction or trigger a peer payment to hear the sound in context. While testing, make sure Do Not Disturb isn't silencing payment notifications. Add Google Pay as an exception if needed. If you don't hear anything, check Bluetooth routing and media volume. As a troubleshooting step, clear the app cache, reboot, and if problems persist, reinstall Google Pay. This often fixes permission or corrupted settings that block sounds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.